Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a makeup tutorial. I am honestly just kind of sitting down and I'm gonna do my makeup. I really don't have a clear vision of what I want to do today for my makeup, so let's just see where we end up. First, I'm going in with No Pore Problems, which is my current favorite primer. I've already moisturized my face. In this month's subscription box for my Birchbox, I got the MAC Pink Light Strobe Cream, so I'm gonna just give that a whirl. Does have a very nice glow to it. Today I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. I wear shade 190, and I'm just gonna use a damp Real Techniques sponge. So let's get rid of those bags. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. I usually use the shade Light, and for some reason last time I picked this up, I picked up Light Neutral. So it's not the right color, but I'm still using it because I gotta use it up. So just cake that on because I slept like shit. For anyone that doesn't believe in Shape Tape, I mean, the proof is right here. It's obvious. 12 hours of sleep, 2 hours of sleep. Since that color is a little bit too yellow for me to use as like a highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline and just go down the tip of my nose, kind of like so. Just for a bit of a highlight. Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty translucent powder. I'm gonna set the under eye area. Done. Now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow and my Morphe brow brush. Do you guys want like a full brow tutorial from me? Comment below and let your girl know. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia contour kit and just bring a little bit of color back to this face. Now I am going to go in with my NYX Ignite blush and buff that into my cheeks. Let's get into the eyes. I think I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette today. One thing I hate about this palette is it's obnoxiously huge and impossible to keep open. Moving on. I think I'm gonna stick to more of like the warm tones in this palette, but I will let you know what I'm using, I guess. First, I'm gonna go in with my Shade and Light Kat Von D palette with just a large, fluffy, or I guess large shader brush, and I'm gonna put that over my entire eyelid. I'm just going to go into a soft transition shade like this one, and I'm gonna softly just start buffing that into my transition of my crease. And I'm avoiding getting it onto my lid. I'm just really focusing in that outer corner and buffing it throughout that entire crease area. And then I'm kind of just buffing it out towards that outer corner. Then I am going to just use that same brush. I'm going to go into a darker shade, which is this one here. And I'm just going to focus this on this outer corner area. And then I'm going to sweep it above the lid into this inner corner area, because I really just feel like bossing it up today, I guess. Doing this makes your eye socket look a lot bigger than what it is. So you might have to play around with how high to bring it up, but the more you do this, the more you'll figure out kind of what works best for your eye shape. But pretty much bringing it up to the bottom of your eyebrow in the front, and then just sweeping it over and then out. Kind of just really blowing that out. I'm going to take that same brush and go into an even deeper kind of terracotta red color. And I'm just going to focus this on that outer corner. And then blending it about halfway over. Just to really darken and deepen that outer corner. And then blend it out. So see the depth that that created by going in then with another darker shade on top of it. Next, I will take an even smaller brush and go in with a dark brown, and I'm just gonna focus this right on that very far outer corner, just to deepen it up a little bit more. And then I'll go in back with that previous color and layer that over top. And then I'll go back with that fluffy brush and just kind of make sure everything is nice and blended. Now I don't do this very often, but I'm feeling kind of extra today. So I am gonna go in onto my lid and put some concealer on it so we have a nice blank canvas for putting on my lid shadow. I don't really like that. Ugh, no. This color, no. No. So I'm gonna go in instead. For top, I'm just gonna go for it. We're gonna go for this one right here instead. Way better. Way better. Way better. Now we're gonna go back in with our fluffy brush from the beginning, and I'm just gonna go back into that corner color and buff that in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out my bottom lash line. So I'm gonna start with that first color. I'm gonna go in with our next darkest color. I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner and lashes because we've all seen that a million times, and then I'll be back with the completed look. So I'm trying to decide what lip color I want to finish this look off with. Definitely could go with something that's like super neutral and just like a nude, but I got this in a recent Birchbox subscription, so it looks like it might go with. Might give it a shot and just see. This is a Luscious Lip Stain by Clouk. I don't know. I don't even know what shade this is. Steaming Red. Doesn't look red to me, but we'll give it a go. Here's the completed look. I really today can't be bothered with doing my hair, so I'm just gonna leave it like this, and that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed how it turned out. Like I said, when I first sat down, I had no direction of where I wanted to go with this, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I will link everything that I used for products down below, as well as any other information that you guys would need from me. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.